you like working with kids? Would you like to work in a child care center, an elementary school? If these career options interest you, enroll in the Introduction to Early Childhood Education class and lab. This course will introduce you to what early childhood education is. You will get an overview of child development, how kids learn, and information on health and safety issues in early child care entities, current issues in the field, and much more about the profession.
We did a project about kids from ages 1 through 5, what they play with. My group created a magnet, letters, numbers board.
And mine did a finger painting table that makes sounds.
Second semester, you will observe a real-life classroom and note child development and behavior, student practices, appropriate methods for interacting with, guiding, caring for, and teaching young children. If you're interested in working with children, this class is for you.